This is the AI News Flash for March 31st, 8 a.m. UTC. First up, Nebius Group has unveiled plans to build one of Europe's largest AI factories as the region scrambles for compute capacity. The company is expanding its 240 megawatt facility in Béthune, France, with ambitions to reach 800 megawatts to 1 gigawatt by the end of 2026. Nebius is also deploying low-latency edge nodes in Paris and London, creating a distributed AI infrastructure network across the continent. Backed by a $27 billion infrastructure deal with Meta and a $2 billion strategic investment from NVIDIA, Nebius is rapidly establishing itself as a central player in the European AI cloud market. Next, Samsung-backed South Korean AI chip startup Rebellions has raised $400 million at a $2.34 billion valuation. The company is developing inference-specialized chips, targeting major AI labs, including Meta and xAI rather than traditional hyperscalers. CEO Sung-Hoon Park has signaled a clear focus on the inference market over training, and the company is now preparing for an IPO. This represents a growing challenge to NVIDIA's dominance from a new wave of specialized AI inference chipmakers. In market news, the global semiconductor market has surpassed $830 billion, driven by surging AI demand. AI chips account for just 0.2% of total shipments, but generate 50% of revenue, an extreme concentration of value. Senior Chinese semiconductor executives have acknowledged that AI demand is creating bottlenecks across equipment, components, and workforce capacity. If AI-driven growth sustains above 20% through 2026, the semiconductor industry could reach $1 trillion for the first time in history. Finally, data center giant Equinix has announced plans to expand its AI data center footprint in South Africa. The company will invest $390 million in Africa over the next 5 years, building new data centers and expanding existing operations centered around Johannesburg. South Africa's data center market is projected to double to $5.28 billion by 2031, growing at 12.9% annually. Following NVIDIA and Cassava Technologies' $700 million AI-ready data center partnership, Africa is emerging as a new frontier for AI infrastructure.
That's all for this AI News Flash.